This is a pocket change green and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed and made by Puzzled by Piker. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal is obviously to figure out where is the coin and how to remove it. As you can see, it is on the back side of the box. You can move this slider, but the coin is trapped inside and it is impossible to open it. But on this side there are metal balls here, there is another cutout here, and this knob that you can rotate. If you like the pocket change green and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos about puzzles. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So first we will start by taking a look at the balls right here. There are 3 metal balls, big one, medium size, and a small one. You have to rotate this knob right here so that this circle-shaped cutout will be facing to the left. Now you tilt the box and move the metal ball to the right side. There is a small cutout inside of this knob, and you can transfer the big ball to this side. Now you move it back to the left side, grab the medium-sized ball, and rotate it and drop it down here. Now what you have to do is to move back, grab the large ball from here and move it all the way back to the left. Now you put it here, since there is another pocket right here and there is a small ball there right now. It was dropped one step before. Now you tilt the box and make sure that the small coin drops inside of this inside of this knob, and now you transfer it to the right side, and now it is right here. Then you move it to the left, grab the large ball, move it to the right, but that's not the solution yet. You have to go back, grab the medium-sized ball, move the knob here so that the medium-sized ball will drop right in here in the pocket. Now you move the knob to the right, grab the large ball again, move it to the left, put it back to the left side. Now you rotate it with this cutout down. Make sure that the medium-sized ball drops into the knob. Now you rotate it to the right, put it right here. So now we have a small metal ball, medium-sized ball, and now we have to grab the large-sized ball, put it to this right side. Now all 3 balls are here. Rotate this knob. Now flip the puzzle to the other side, and now when you move this part, as you can see, the bottom piece stays and the lid opens, and now you can remove the coin. And that's how you solve the pocket change green. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.